Hey guys, so I actually very recently dyed my hair with Arctic Fox Purple Rain, and I am absolutely loving it. So one of the problems, of course, with these super vivid, gorgeous unicorn hair colors is that they tend to not last all that long and they wash out quite easily. I typically wash my hair every other day, which for people with bright colored hair is not ideal. So I wanted to test out something that might help keep the color in. So I haven't really heard too much about these, but I got it on Amazon, so I'll leave a link for it below. And I'll see if it's available at like Sally's and stuff like that. So it is Quantum Perfect Plums. So it's a color replenishing shampoo that is supposed to refresh and brighten plum and violet shades. So as far as instructions, is leave on for 2 minutes and rinse, and then there's a conditioner. I don't have the conditioner, I just have the shampoo. But anyways, this is supposed to replenish the color and stop it from fading. So obviously it's not like a perfect match. It's actually pretty close to the color of this bottle. It's definitely a warmer toned purple, if you will, but I feel like it's a purple, so it should still help me maintain this color. So I'm just gonna keep track with you guys as far as how well this holds on to the color and if I can keep it a little bit longer. So this is freshly dyed. I will give you guys a peek and we'll see how many washes I can do, just sort of how it wears and how it looks. I'm kind of excited. I would really like for something like this to be helpful. And again, I know like Arctic Fox is not like super damaging or anything. It's just that you don't want to have to dye your hair super frequently. It's just kind of a pain in the butt. So it would be really nice if this actually did work. You know, with 2 minutes in the shower, that would be kind of nice. So anyways, we'll see how this goes, and I will continue to add pictures and keep you updated. And we'll try to do as many washes as we can with this to see how it holds up. Hey guys, so I am fresh out of a blow dry, so this was our first time washing it. I will say that it did color my roots a bit, but I think that they were also a bit colored from the actual dye. So I don't know how much of that is shampoo and how much of that is the original hair dye. But anyways, the color looks really nice. I will say I do think that like I needed a separate conditioner. I don't always need a conditioner. My hair is obviously damaged because it's been dyed so much, but this wasn't like a conditioning shampoo. So I do think it did a bit with depositing color, or at least helping me to maintain this color, because I do think that it looks very nice. But so this is our first wash. Hey guys, so we have now shampooed twice with that purple shampoo, and I have a couple of things that I just want to share. So first, it is still dyeing my scalp a bit. So is it insanely noticeable? No. But is it there? Yes. As someone who dyes their hair a lot, I know that after 1 or 2 shampoos, typically the dye does wash off of your scalp. So this has not washed off of my scalp as of yet. So that's something to note. Another thing, it is a bit drying. So you just have to make sure you use a conditioner. I am using a like random other conditioner. I didn't purchase the like one that comes with it, but I would recommend using a conditioner with it. If you don't normally, you still might need it. Another thing is that it is designed for like violet and purple shades of hair. However, the color that I have is, I would say, pretty cool toned. That's kind of my preference. I think it looks better on me. I do think that the shampoo is more neutral, maybe a bit warm toned. So it is a slightly different color. You know, it's made for all purples, so that's really quite vague. There are all different kinds of purples. So just as a side note, because if you look at some of the pieces that the dye was starting to fade from, it has picked up the shampoo color, which is fine, but it is a different shade of purple than what I have. So this is more of a warm toned, almost on like the maroon purple spectrum, not so much on the like cool toned purplish blue spectrum, if you know what I mean. So it is picking up those pieces. So again, I don't mind. I think it's fine. I think it still looks nice, and it's better than what it might fade to without this shampoo. I'm not sure exactly what that would be, considering I dye my hair a lot, but this is still keeping it purple, so whatever. Anyways, But I would also, so I put it on at the beginning of my shower. It says to leave it in for 2 minutes. I put it on at the beginning of my shower and leave it on the entire time and then rinse it off at the end. I would be wary if you have a lot of white stuff in your shower because it can sort of splash around and you just want to make sure you're not dyeing anything else purplish. But other than that, I am happy with it so far, so I'm going to keep using it and let you guys know as it continues how well it holds on to the color and how it does. And again, like I said, it's more of these pieces that were kind of fading that are being affected by like sucking in that new color. I feel like the rest is holding on to it quite well. So anyways, that's it. Thank you.